single bit can only say yes or no. So how does your computer store your name or an entire game? It groups bits. A byte is 8 bits, side by side. It's the standard package of information in every computer ever built. Each position in a byte is worth double the one before. 1, 2, 4, 8, all the way to 128. Turn some bits on, add up their values, and one byte stores any number from 0 to 255. And numbers can stand for anything. 65 is the letter A. 243 might be the blue in a pixel. Every file you own is just millions of bytes in a row. That's why storage is measured in bytes. A kilobyte is 1,000, a megabyte 1,000,000, a gigabyte 1,000,000,000 of them. 8 switches, 1 byte, the alphabet of everything digital.